Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve with the error code 0xE0070150. No compatible graphics hardware was found in Windows. And then I'll show you possible solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is we need to update display driver. On how to do that, so all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this device manager, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at device manager, and then next step, then you need now to select this display adapters. So click this arrow to expand, and then we need to update this enter graphics card. So on how to update, so all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then you need to tap or click this update a driver. In updating this driver, so we have two options that we need to choose, either search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. But for now, we need to choose this search automatically for drivers and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So once you're done here, then we need to close, and then we need to restart. Then click this power button on your PC, then click restart to fix this error. But if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to fix corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So we need to copy this command keyword, dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B. And then we need to press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close the CMD, and then we need to restart. So click on the power button, and then we need to select this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.